Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll have another episode of review video, and I'm going to be looking at a telephone and tablet stand, which I have it right here. The name of the telephone or tablet stand is called Gritin Adjustable Stand, and this is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased, and honest. You can buy similar type of stands on Amazon or other online stores. I happen to buy this one, and for that reason I'm just giving you my opinion. So the box came like this, very simple packaging, and this is the actual stand. Now you can see that one good thing about the stand is that this is foldable. So this is also very portable because you can just fold it and take it with you anywhere you want. Now I do have other stands, which one I have right here, and this is a very expensive one. But the problem with this that it doesn't goes up. So if you're sitting at or working on your desk and then you want to look on your phone, you have to kind of look down. But this one goes up, and it is adjustable, which I'm going to show you very shortly. For that reason, I bought this one, and also it has a greater level of portability. So I'm just going to set it a little bit aside here, and in order to unfold it, so you have to just kind of hold it here, and you can see that it's kind of unfolding. And then here it has different levels of adjustment. So right now this is the lowest level, and if you just kind of hold it and pull it, then you can see that this is going to go up, and you can kind of adjust it. But this is kind of a little bit hard to do fine adjustment, because either it goes too much up or too much down. But that's the way it works. And you can even adjust this part, and it has some sort of rubberized grip to give your phone a good grip. So for example, you can just put your phone here, and you can put it down a little bit, and then you can see that it's tiltable. So you can just tilt your phone, and you can adjust it to your eye level when you're working at on your desk. And also this part or stand is you can adjust it as well. So it has very greater level of flexibility in terms of if you need fine adjustment. And that is the reason actually I bought it. Now these you can buy different brands around $20 in that range. So this is not expensive at all, and definitely looks like the product quality is not bad, and I'm expecting this to last for a long time. So for the next cell phone accessory tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.